Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're making carrot ginger soup. This soup is especially great for when you're feeling a little bit under the weather. There's no dairy in this recipe, instead I use coconut oil and coconut milk to add flavor and creaminess. All of these ingredients yielded about 2 quarts of soup. To start off, I peel my ginger. You don't have to peel ginger, but I usually do. Peel my garlic and chop everything up pretty finely. Setting that aside, now I'll do a medium dice on my onion. And next, I want to get my carrots in the oven. After washing and drying them off, I put them on a sheet tray lined with parchment, add some nods of coconut oil, and dust with salt. I'll roast these at 450 for about 20 minutes. While the carrots are in the oven, I begin sauteing the onions lightly in some coconut oil. Some browning is okay, but we're not looking to develop too much color. Then I'll add in the ginger, garlic, and cook a bit longer. I add in a pinch of turmeric for color and a hint of flavor. I only put about a quarter teaspoon in this whole batch. I toast the turmeric a bit before adding in a can of coconut milk. Then I let this simmer down. The coconut milk will thicken a bit, and then I add in the chicken stock. I'll bring that to a simmer, and by that time my carrots are done browning in the oven. They're nice and roasty with some caramelization, however, they're not finished cooking completely. So now I transfer them into a pan with my coconut milk and onion mixture, and I'll let this simmer for about 10 minutes until the carrots are finished cooking. I take care not to overcook the carrots. An overcooked carrot produces a soup that tastes like overcooked carrot, which is not the best flavor in my opinion. The carrots are done when you can easily slide a paring knife into the center of the carrot without much resistance. Now I transfer the entire contents of the pan into a blender and blend on high speed. I added a bit of water to thin out the soup to the desired consistency. I also taste and adjust seasoning as needed. And now I have my soup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you want to see what other soups I'm making to get through the winter. Happy cooking!